We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging. Today we're going to be taking a look at a Lexmark MS810. And if you've been getting a replace roller kit message, or you're getting paper jams due to just worn out rollers, then we're going to show you how to get that taken care of today. So the first thing you want to do is remove your tray completely. And then on the left side you'll see a little blue button. You're going to press that little blue button and pick up and remove the separation roller assembly. It's extremely simple. To reinstall it, slide in the right side first and click it into place. And that's it, you replace your separation roller. To replace your pickup roller assembly, we're going to move this blue door down. You'll see little blue or green tabs. You're going to press down those little green tabs and you'll just be able to take the roller assembly off. It's extremely simple. And you're going to do the exact opposite to put it back on. And just kind of wiggle it till you feel it slide all the way on there. And then just kind of give it a good little jiggle and make sure that everything's set and nothing's going to slide right back off. So once you're done that, we're going to replace our drawer. And then we're going to have the printer on off currently. We're going to press and hold the 2 and 6 buttons and turn the printer on. You're going to want to hold the 2 and 6 buttons for about 10 seconds while it boots up. And what this is going to do is it's actually going to boot the printer into configuration menu. So we'll let that finish booting into configuration menu. Once it loads, the second option is actually going to be reset roller counter. You're going to want to press that and hit OK. Once you do that, then you'll actually reset the roller counter inside the printer, and it'll know that there's a brand new set of rollers in there, so that it warns you the next time you're ready for a new set of rollers. Other than that, if you have any questions, feel free to give Onyx a call. If it's something that you don't feel comfortable doing, it's something we can do for you. Other than that, have a good day, and hopefully everything's back up and printing.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.